Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you through this used approved Volkswagen vehicle. Fresh in stock, we do have this gorgeous Volkswagen T-ROC SE 150 PS. It does come in the sleek metallic white silver finish, really highlighting and contrasting well with those stunning features all round. It does come with just one previous owner and just over 12,500 miles covered. As a 1.5 petrol model, it is the ideal upgrade for those looking for extra space and a nippy city drive with plenty of top spec, including your parking sensors for enhanced parking. You do also have your automatic headlights for enhanced visibility ahead, alongside your 17-inch alloys. You do also have your power folding heated door mirrors and sleek black roof rails. Moving into your boot area, you will find more than enough space to house all your day-to-day items and travel plans. Once inside your rear interior, it is a full cloth finish for enhanced comfort all round with your handy pull-down armrest and central climate vents. Moving into your front interior, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel to provide convenience when driving, alongside your central touch display to provide a full entertainment all round. Your two front seats do come again with a full cloth finish, really enhancing that comfort for front travelling passengers. To seamlessly navigate around your vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls, which does include your adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe distance, along with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit screen and display vital car information. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you fully entertained, and if you do wish to listen to your own preferred audio, you can do so connecting via Bluetooth. This does come compatible with your Apple and Android devices. As you can see there, it does also include your mirror link via your app Connect. And of course, you do have all your vital car information stored on there, including your tyre pressure, so you can ensure the vehicle is well maintained. You do also have access to your dual climate control to ensure a correct temperature is met on either side of the vehicle. Going back to your home screen, you do also have all your general settings alongside your parking sensors when you do pop the car into reverse, so this will make you more aware when parking in those awkward and tighter parking spots. Following this, you do have access to your main climate dials, again with your dual system, and of course you do have your heated windscreens for those frosty conditions, followed by your handy power outlets, electronic parking brake, and of course your cup holders and a small storage pocket. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.